Someone needs to tell my son that growing up is a scam. I think he wants to grow up real fast. You're not done. There's two more. Well done, baby. Thank you. You're panting. My son is washing his sister's clothes. Well done. Big brother duties. Washing his sister's clothes. He's even singing. Continue. Say beep. What's that? Good job. And close it. Don't worry, I'll put that on for you. Thank you.